Hello everyone, this is Chaitanya Kumar. I am from India. Currently, I am working as a master student in Department of Physics, National Sun Yat-sen University, and my advisor is Professor Chen Cheng Ko. And first of all, I want to share my experience since from 1.5 years. Before coming to Taiwan, I have so many questions in my mind. So maybe you also having these questions in your minds. Definitely, I will let you know. So first thing is scholarships. So after coming to Taiwan, I will get scholarship or not? You have these questions. So definitely you will get scholarships from university, and same time some professors also provide scholarships, because here professors are very kind and very intelligent, and the professors will they will interact with very well. If you have any problem, immediately they will react, and they cannot treat us like a student. They treat us like family. So don't worry about professors and scholarships. And next coming to food. In the case of food, you can get all ingredients here. So, and also if you want to eat outside here, so many restaurants available. So you don't worry about food also, especially vegetarian guys. You cannot here in vegetarian, so much of different varieties available. So you no need you no need worry about food. So then next coming to department. So in our department having different labs, and also having each lab doing different works. So when I came here, I don't know anything in physics department. Even I entered in zero knowledge. So from zero knowledge to today, I know how much I learned from my lab. So here professors, they can guide very clear path. So you don't guys you don't worry about here scholarships, professors, and food, and these all things. And also university having so many different kinds of opportunities. Like if you want to learn Chinese, they will provide free Chinese courses, and here they provide free Wi-Fi, and also they provide free transport, like so many things. So you guys, this is the best opportunity for Indian students, because in India, all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have an equal opportunity in Taiwan, especially in Sun Yat-sen University, to develop your talents. So this is the good opportunity for you guys. Please don't lose this opportunity. You can join with us, and you can make your life beautiful.
Mr. Kumar, have you got paid to come to say so many good things?
Yeah, because I know how they can.
I pay him. Sorry.
Because I know in India, every people they feel after going to Taiwan, what happened? We don't know anything there. So who can help us like that? So I face these problems, and I know those problem solutions. I saw here. So that's why I can explain to everyone.
Okay, thank you very much. Actually,
one more thing I have to say. I forget. Nowadays, in all over world having COVID-19, all over world. So in India also, everyone suffering with COVID-19. But in Taiwan, it's only 485 cases. It's less cases. And 469 people recovered and 7 people only died. So you can think about health, how much they can care. Like till now, this is the 144th day. Till now, there is no corona case. This is the good thing in Taiwan. And also, if you compare to weather, it's same like it's like as a India. So you don't worry about weather, and especially girls. This is for you only. You no need to worry about safety, because here police like people, everyone will like very good. So if you roam around like 12, 1 in midnight, nothing will happen for you. So this is a very good place for you guys. Don't miss this place. I am lucky to be here.
Thank you.